how's it going, my auto fam? Here with another video. We're gonna start with the project. My goal for now is to get the exhaust tips re-clear coated, the door handles clear coated, don't mind the mess, the mirror caps redone, and we're going to do the mirror caps. They're not satin, they're supposed to be gloss, don't judge me, but it's wet outside, so we're going to pretty much take everything off and kind of cover up the insides of here with plastic and tape, so that way it just doesn't get wet in case it rains again. But we're going to take it inside and we're going to get this taken care of. So this is what I'm going to be using the Krylon Fusion. You can pretty much use any satin black or flat black, because usually the gloss black usually has some kind of tint to it. I really hate that tint, but this gets like a true black. And then to get the high gloss, I use the 2K clear coat. I usually get off of Amazon. It's about 25, 26 bucks a can. It is pretty expensive, but it is pretty good. I have had no complaints with it. All right, next thing is we're going to start prepping these surfaces and we're going to start painting. All right, everything is prepped and ready for paint. All I did was just sand everything down and wiped it down with alcohol so that we just get any dust and grease off of it, so it will be ready for paint. All right, fast forward to the next day. I was able to get everything painted, so that's the mirror caps. It's pretty much the same thing on the other side. This is what the door handles are looking like. And I got some plastic to go on the back of it off of Amazon because they were starting to peel. It looks pretty good. Well, it's the same process I did with that one. And here it goes as far as the front grills. No more dullness. Nice shiny gloss black. And don't pay attention to the engine. And the exhaust tips, they didn't come out glossy, better than they looked before. I ran out of the original clear coat that I was using, so I had to buy some other clear coat from Lowe's. Looks like they did okay. I may get different tips all together, but we'll see how it holds up.